Good morning, 7th class. Today we are going to start a chapter number 14, properties of triangles. First of all, I will tell you about the triangles. Now students, triangle. What is a triangle? Try to find out the object at your homes that are related with the triangle. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a three-sided closed figure, right? Triangle is what? Three-sided closed figure with three non-parallel sides, right? What is a triangle? Three-sided closed figure, right? It is denoted by like this when three non-parallel sides are made. You can say this is also triangle, this is also triangle, or you can say this is triangle. Where three non-parallel sides meets to each other, it's called the triangle, right? Now students, you know, when two lines are meet, then what? When two lines are meet, then it is called the angle, right? And when three lines are meet, it is called the triangle. Triangle means three angles. Triangles mean, tri means three. So when three non-parallel lines meet at a point or at a different points, it's called the triangle, right? Now students, what is a vertex? I will tell you, this is A, B, C. This is A, B, C, a triangle. Now, what is a vertex? I will tell you about the first vertex. Vertex is that where the two rays are meet, like this and this and this. Rays is meet at a point B. So B is what? B is a vertex. Now C and A is meet. Now C is what? C is vertex. Now this and this line is meet. A is vertex. So vertex means peak. Peak point, yeah, you can say it is a point where the two rays are meet. So A, B, C are a vertex. Now what is the angles? When two lines, this is A, this is B, this is C. These are angles. These are what? These are angles. Now students, this is a triangle, right? Now interior angle of triangles. Interior angles means, interior means inside. This is a triangle, so you can say inside the triangle. So this is a angle A inside the triangle, this is a B inside the triangle, and this is a C inside the triangle, right? Now exterior, when we produce this line, and this angle is called the exterior angle. Here this is called the exterior angle and this is called the exterior angle. So I hope the concept of interior and exterior is clear. One thing is more, sum of interior angle, sum of, this is very important point, sum of interior angle is equals to exterior angle, right? And one thing is more, sum of all angle in a triangle is 180 degree, right? Sum of all angle in a triangle is 180 degree. Now students, see question number 1. question number 1. State if the triangle are possible with the following angles. Angles are 20 degree, 70 degree, 90 degree. It's very easy. Let angle A is 20. Let us suppose, okay, let angle B is 70 degree and angle C is 90 degree. Now I told you that sum of triangle is 180 degree. So sum of all angle in triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Now A is 20 degree, B is 70 degree and C is 90 degree, which is 90 degree plus 90 degree. 180 degree is equals to 180 degree. So sum of all angle is 180. So their sum of all angle is equals to 180 degree. So it is possible to draw a triangle, right? Now see question number 2. See students, question number 2. The angle of triangle are equal, means all angle are equal. See students, this is a triangle whose all angles are equal. A, B, C are angles whose all angles are equal. Since what is given, all angles are equal, it means if I suppose angle A is equals to X, means angle B is also be X and angle C is also be X. Now angle A plus B plus C is 180 degree, that is X plus X plus X, 180 degree, which is 3x degree is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 divides by 3, 60 degree. So X is 60 degree, means angle A is 60 degree, B is 60 degree. Therefore angle A 60, B is also be 60 and angle C is also be 60. It means angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C are 60 degrees. So it is clear that all the angles are equal. Now question number 3. Now see question number 3. A triangle A, B, C, angle A is 45 degree, B is 70 degree and find C. Okay. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree, angle A is 45 degree, B is 70 degree plus angle C is 180 degree. Now 5. So angle C is 65 degree, right? Now see question number 5. In each of the following figure, calculate the unknown angles. So in question number 5, there is a triangle like this, in which this is a X, this is 90 degree and this is a 30 degree. So students, see A, B, C. Now angle A is what? Angle A is 90 degree. B is what? 30 degree. And we needs to find the C. Very simple. angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. We apply this concept in whole exercise, right? 90 plus 30 degree plus angle C is 180 degree. 120 plus C is 180 degree. Now angle C is 180 minus 120, which is 60 degree. So angle C is 60 degree. This is your answer. Now come question number 6. Student, question number 6. This is x minus 5. This is also x minus 5. This is x, A, B, C. We have to find the value of x. Now what is x? In question number 6 we need to find out what is x. See students, angle A is x minus 5, angle B is x minus 5 and angle C is x. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Now x minus 5 is A plus x minus 5, x plus 5, sorry, but there is a x plus 5. B is x and x plus 5 is 180 degree. Now this 5 and this 5 is cancelled. 3x is equals to 180 degree and x is equals to 180 degree divides by 3, which is 60 degree. So x is what? X is a 60 degree.